Hey guys, so this is Virali again, and I'm back on a mission to ramp up restaurants. I'm here at the wonderful Smoke House Deli in BKC with the ever so lovely Ashley. How are you?
Hi, good.
You're doing well?
I'm doing well.
Thank you for having me back here again. I've been to this wonderful establishment many times, and I just have to say, the accessibility is amazing. So now I thought, why not give my friend a call and let me see what he has to say about the accessibility. So let's call up Rustom. Hey, where are you?
Yeah, I'm already there. Yeah.
Okay, come fast. So let's see what he has to say.
Actually, it's wonderful. I saw you took me around earlier, and I think it's a wonderfully accessible place that we got here. One thing I really liked that Virali also told me about is the tables are fantastic. The height of the table is wonderful because you can really come up close to the table, right?
I think that's the most comfortable aspect of it. Just being able to come closer to the table, having your drink at hand, having your food. You don't have to drop it on your lap.
So normally where do people on wheelchairs, where do you make them sit normally?
We have options, plenty of options. We have two booths basically, and then we have our tables are comfort level basically.
Okay.
They can sit anywhere they want to.
Alright. So Ashley, tell me how different is it dealing with somebody on a wheelchair as compared to your regular clientele? Like somebody on a wheelchair when he comes in?
See, for me, a guest is a guest basically. Whether it's a wheelchair or whether it's come by walking. So we need to give a comfort zone to them. I was in the cruise basically. We have done some kind of special
training.
Yeah, trainings, and they don't have anybody out there. So we'll just ramp them off, take them off from the embark and disembark.
Right.
Wow.
Ashley is the perfect example of food doesn't discriminate, so why should you?
But quite honestly, my experience when I first came here, I got out of the car and they literally helped me inside. They situated me at my table. They asked me if I needed any help whatsoever, and I think that's the mentality that we need.
Like Virali, you are going to restaurants. Why don't you do this initiative and let us know what those friendly wheelchair accessible places are? Virali needs as much of help as she can because she's doing it not just for herself, she's doing it for Enable, and she's also doing it for the entire disabled community globally. Okay, let me make that very clear. So Virali, why don't you add a few things? And I'm sure Ashley would like to know what Rampa Restaurant is all about, sir.
Actually, yeah. So just like Rustom said, I need your support, and you can't just be sitting quietly at home. And again, Ashley, you're a wonderful example of that. Helping many people with disabilities come here. That is what Ramp My Restaurant is all about. Okay.
So let's have a big can-do to Ashley and the Smoke House Deli, and it's a wonderful place. And any shout out to other people on wheelchairs? Anything you want to say to them?
Yeah, just come over. We'll help you out.
Yeah. And do you want them to get drunk or you want them to be sober?
No, not so basically.
Nice.